let's celebrate kasi binigyan na naman tayo ng Panginoon ng panibagong araw para maranasan yung pagmamahal niya, yung pagtulong niya, yung comfort niya, yung answered prayer niya. In simple or in big things man na ikakaloob niya sa iyo for today, congratulations, I am celebrating together with you. May our good God continue na ibigay kung ano man yung heart desires mo, kung ano man talaga yung pinapangarap mo para sa sarili mo, para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, sa magulang mo, sa anak mo, or sa pamilya mo. Our good God always listen, and sa panahon na to or at this very moment, I just want to speak and may you also receive the word contentment and the word forgiveness. May our good God shower us that kind of sincere forgiveness in our heart right now. Ano man yung dumurog sa iyo noon, ano man yung nagwasak sa puso mo noon. Hindi mo ina-expect that yung tipong relatives mo pa, or yung tipong kapatid mo pa, or yung tipong kaisa-isang taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo pa, siya pa yung dumurog sa'yo. But now, God is allowing us or giving us this chance or this forgiveness heart. May we receive it and may we really enjoy the word forgiveness in our heart kasi hindi siya madali. Hindi siya one whole night or 24 hours lang nating ililinger sa puso at isipan natin, and then paggising natin sa umaga, wala na. As a human being, I know it's difficult, but I'm praying and I'm declaring right now over your life, over our life right now na let's just forgive. Kasi tayo rin ang magbe-benefits nun. Once we have that forgiveness in our heart and we truly accept that we na nagkamali tayo, that we do wrong to other people, or something na tayo man yung nasaktan or tayo man talaga yung sumapo ng mga kasalanan na yon, but still forgiveness sana ang maghari sa puso at isipan natin. Not only today but every day, I'm praying it and I'm declaring it over your life, over our life right now. May our good God listen in our heart right now. Simple prayer, pero I know that it's meaningful, and I just speak and I just want you to receive it. In Jesus' mighty and precious name, amen and amen.